Hey, what's up? Welcome back. This is KHS for After Effects tutorial channel, and there is another very exciting tutorial about Monster Energy Drink motion graphics. Don't forget, I have a lot of tutorials presents for you, like a Red Ball, how to create Red Ball motion graphics with the liquid, and like this. There is another one, After Effects tutorial 3D animation, and there is another tutorial, Red Ball with element 3D, fresh fruits and liquids. Okay, and this tutorial is a different. Let's start. Create a new composition and name it Monster TVC. 5 seconds HD, press OK. And now Ctrl plus Y on keyboard, right here the model, press OK. Then go to Effects, Video Copilot, Element, and then go back to Effect Control Model. Go to here and Scene Setup. After Scene Setup, go to Import and import your model there in Materials, TVC, OBJ. Press OK. Don't forget you must model the scan into 3D applications. 3ds Max, Cinema 4D, Maya. No problem. In which one? After this, go to File, Export selected. Select the all 3D model with drops, File, Export selected. Select the OBJ. Save, yes. Triangles, faces, and export. And then go back to After Effects. Look, there is the update. Okay, a little bit problem with texture. Go to layers. We have 3 layers. It means 3 model: top, the body, and the drops. Select first the body texture. Go to presets. Go to physical. Apply this black outline, and then go back to texture and select diffuse. I have the texture monster. Control the UV, repeat, move it, press Control for slowly move your texture. Move it down. Then press OK. So go to basic setting, change the diffuse color to bright. Press OK and change the shades of the material. Go to illumination, change the color green. Press OK. Okay, time to change the reflection environment. Select this reflection. Okay, now change the can top material chrome. Apply this one and select another one. Go to Pro Shaders, and there is Cola drops or clear drops, and there is amber, frost, pool water, ice wall, glazed, and go to setting, change it to add. And now you can change the color. Where is the color changing? reflection. Yeah. Okay, press OK, and now I need to create a floor reflection. Then I must go back scene setup and create a plan, move it down and scale up the size, and then apply black glass. The black glass, right click, material type is physical, and right click, there is reflection, mirror surface, and move your model, select, move it down like this, and go back environment, change the environment darker. Let's see, there is material, physical, pro shader maps, concretes, no, metropolitan skies. Let's see another, no. Let's check the environment, 2K. There is a lot of materials. This one is good, and press OK. Right click, create a new camera, 24mm, and select the model, go to group 1, particle look, change the size, and move the camera down, and go to particle replicator, rotation, turn the monster can, there is the logo. Yep. And now looking good, go back to render setting and ambient occlusion, turn on this one, and go back to lighting, there is the shadow, turn on the shadow and the lighting, additional lighting, rotation, change the lighting direction, good, and right click a new solid, or you can draw another background. Go to documents, video copilot, materials, environment, 2K, select a dark material, select this one, double click. When you select, turn off JPEG sequence, press import. Okay, now import this material background behind and drop another material right here, camera lens blur, double click and change the scale down, change it to 15 like this, good. And now go back to select the model, scene setup, I need to select the blur material. Where is the blur material? Environment, there is a lot of blur material, select this one, this is blur material. Yeah, okay, go back to project and back environment, select the blur, let's see, select the blur material, press Alt, move the material on the top or bottom layer, right click, transform fit to comp. I need more, yeah, Looking good. And now need more setting. Creating the can model animation, but how? Okay. mm, let's check add lighting cinema. This is the cinema lighting. um, Changing the floor material reflection. I need the floor material reflection must be blur. Where is the blur? There is the reflection. Okay. um, Looking little bit good. And now need more darker. Go to Photoshop, import this one, and go to brightness contrast, darker, save as, and select desktop, save it. Okay. After Effect, go back to scene setup and go to environment, select that environment which is saved, select, press OK, and OK, and then import. Where is that reflected JPEG? Imported on this, and now looking good. That's looking pretty good. Okay, now time to motion. Double click, importing. Where is the plugins? Software plugins. Plugins, After Effects plugins, plugins, Action Essentials. There is the smoke. Which smoke is really good for this TVC? Particle heads, smoke charts. Open all of this. Not in this. This is couch debris, dirt charge, dust, explosion, fire, glass, muzzle, particle powder, smokes. And their shoes, smokes. How is this? Right click, open. Here, double click down here, right click, fade to count, and move your project, move it down. Yeah. Okay. Need more effect? Select the new solid, saber light, go to effects, select the saber light, turn off this one, select the pen tool and zoom in. Okay, turn on saber light, go back to effects, Then go to customize layer, select the layer mask, and now select the energy down, press Ctrl slowly down the energy, and light bias, sprays, need more down the size, and go to mode, select add. Okay, you can change the color like this, press OK, and now there is a start size, and there is end size, and there is the start offset. From second 1, start offset, second 2, change it to 0, go back to 15 frames, turn on end offset, go to 2 seconds, 15 frames, change it to 0, and now play. Looking good. And now select the model and go to group 1. There is a group 1. You can rotate from start. Look, there is 258. Change it to 0. Change to 0, and then stopwatch, go to frame 10, 258. Press enter, and then go to reflection. Where is the lighting? There is the lighting reflection. Stopwatch all of them, and go to second 1, change the reflection like this. Must be dark, the M. Change it dark like this. After this, the lighting start like this. This is the monster energy. Let's check. Render from start. Render. Okay, press U. There is the reflection. Keyframes. Move to 3 seconds, and move this one from start of this point. And now there is title monster energy drink. Go to text, select the different text. Select this one, down the size, move it here, and select Saberlight, Ctrl D, duplicate, and go back, select the text layers, select the monster. After monster, turn off the text and turn off all of them, change it to 0, and select a different effect like this. Change it down, move the monster text here, So now start offset, change to 0, start offset, there is the start offset. After this start offset 0 and press U. Looking good. Double click, need more wisp gas smoke. How about this? Double click, move it behind of energy drink. Close, close, and select, zoom out, scale up the size, move it here, fixed here, and delete the wisp one, and then select another saber light, press U. This must coming after 3 seconds. And now double click, one more down here, Ctrl D, need a duplicate, Ctrl D, move it here, and double click on this monster title on duplicate, double click right here, energy, select again, and now come to here, which one is turn on? This one. Need one duplicate more, and go to change the monster to energy. Yep, this is looking good. Thank you guys. Let's render the final result and wait. Play now, render. There is the final result. Play and play. Okay, select the monster and boat, move it down like here, and move this one down like here. Okay, and now press U for keyframes. After 2 seconds, change time of lightsaber, smooth and stretch, turn off, and now render again. This is the Monster Energy Drink. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. See you at next time of tutorial.